So when natapos yung martial law, nagkaroon ng new constitution, sabi nung iba, hindi nawala yung corruption, na decentralized lang. So dati centralized sa Malacanang at sa executive ang corruption. Ngayon may corruption sa legislative, sa konsehal, sa barangay, businessman, yun din ang sinasabi. Dati I just have to contend with the USEC, naging director. Dati I just have contend to the mayor, ngayon panay barangay captain. So nandiyan yung mga problema. But the question is, after 40 years ng EDSA revolution, is the new generation, kami na yon, mga martial law babies, ready to turn over to the next generation to say, we're ready to be corrupt-free. So, yun po yung cost ng laban namin ngayon. We cannot turn over to you a corrupt-free Philippines pag hindi tayo lumaban. And dun sa mga Gen Z na hindi naiintindihan yung laban ngayon, hindi rin namin maintindihan yung laban ng parents namin noon. Kaming mga pro-Marcos, simple lang. Pro-Cory kayo, pro-Marcos kami. Ganun kami, ganyan kayo. At that time, it was simple. Dalawang na lang eh. Sa basketball, Crispa, Toyota. Sa toothpaste, Colgate, Close-Up. Sa camera, Kodak, Fuji, dalawa lang pagpipilian. Ngayon, magulo na. Multi-party. Everyone, may sobrang left, may sobrang right, may pink, may original yellow, may pink lawan, may DDS, merong DDS pero hindi ako ganito. May Marcos alone, may Marcos pa rin, may Marcos na rin. So, gumugulo. At saka dati, dyaryo, ilan lang. TV, ilan lang. Radyo per province, yung top 3. Ngayon, with social media, everyone has, So, iba po ang laban ngayon. We cannot solve today's problems with yesterday's solution. Iba na po. And yes, this laban na to, hindi lang to laban nung ka-age ko at mas matanda sa akin. Laban to ng ating mga Gen Z, ng mga bata ngayon. Those between, 15, 16, 17 to 30. Laban nyo to kasi you will inherit. So some of you think we're wrong. And it's better the direction we were taking. Some of you think we're right. Hindi yun yung topic natin tonight. Ang topic natin tonight, simple lang, may cost. May cost na mag-decide kayong lumaban, may cost din para sabihin natin hindi lumaban. And if you ask me tonight, if we want a real independent Philippines, kung gusto nyo na every year sasabihin natin, ngayong taon na to, mas malaya tayo, kailangan tuloy-tuloy ang laban.